Enduro understands no two pipelines are the same. Each can present a variety of challenges for routine maintenance and inspection. High-velocity gas pipelines pose a particular challenge, requiring a decrease in flow for cleaning pigs to provide optimal results and ILI tools to collect quality data. Speed control tools are ideal for pipelines where the gas flow is at a high velocity and the pipeline operator is unable or unwilling to reduce the flow rate for pigging operations. A reduction in flow means the pipeline owner is losing revenue and less gas is being provided to the end user. Our Dynamic Speed Control DSC tool was developed to allow for successful pigging in pipelines where the gas flow cannot be slowed down due to operational challenges or need to stay at high flow gas rates for reasons determined by the client. DSC is designed to slow cleaning or inspection tools and maintain at acceptable speeds in some high gas flow environments without causing speed excursions that could make cleaning efforts less efficient or degrade inspection data. Enduro's dynamic speed control technology allows the inspection, gauging, or cleaning of pipelines at reduced velocities, typically without lowering gas flow rates. A variable bypass module dynamically regulates the amount of product through flow, allowing the tool to maintain consistent speeds throughout the pipeline while the gas flow remains unchanged. Available to be used in conjunction with Enduro's full line of pipeline pigs, including our MFL, DFL, DDL caliper, cleaning, and gauge plate tools. The Enduro Dynamic Speed Control Unit is self-contained and able to tow ILI, cleaning, and gauging tools for pipeline diameters 16 inches and larger. Our Dynamic Speed Control Unit features include variable bypass, regulated throughput, controlled tool speed, good tool run results, optimized production, available with most pigs 16 inches and larger. Custom-built, made-in-America pipeline tools with the fastest delivery time in the industry. That's Enduro Pipeline Services.